Hello, I'm Jordan Roy-Byrne, and I'm here at the May 2019 Metals Investor Forum in downtown beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. And I'm here with Norman Champigny. He is the CEO of Quebec Precious Metals. Norman,
Pleasure to meet you.
thanks for being here.
Thank you for inviting me.
Now, Quebec Precious Metals, when I think of the title, when I think of the company's name rather, I think of Quebec. That's one of the absolute best jurisdictions in the world for gold mining and exploration, is it not?
That is correct. It has lots of success stories to talk about. It's also a very good jurisdiction to do business in. Lots of support from Quebec institutions and lots of territory to explore, especially for gold.
So let's talk about the company and your projects. What are you working on right now?
We're working to find the next important gold mine in the James Bay region of Quebec, and that's the new Abitibi. Abitibi, well known for gold production. This is the new frontier, the new area of Quebec, where there's already a big mine called Eleanor that was found in 2004. It's operated now by Newmont Gold Corp, and they are the largest shareholder in our company. We created a company a year ago to find the next gold mine in that area.
And talk about the property that you guys are working on right now in your exploration program.
So we have a land package of about 900 square kilometers in this area. Our flagship project is Sakami. Sakami has about 25,000 meters of drilling. It has a resource but not disclosed today. We have a goal to have at least 2 million ounces confirmed and identified, and the goal of the company is to sell that to a major gold company.
And what do you like about this property?
Well, first of all, the gold is on surface. It's continuous. It can be traced in the area where we've been drilling for 800 meters at a depth of 500 meters, and a plunge direction you can follow it for 550 meters. You can tell where the gold is. You don't see the gold, but you can tell where it is. So it's predictable, it's continuous, and we're just starting to explore this very large property.
Okay, so what goals and objectives do you have for the summer season?
Well, summer and the next 12 months period, what we want to do is keep drilling. We've been drilling since we created the company a year ago, and to bring that to the resource estimation stage. Our plan is that over the next 6 to 12 months we'll have 15,000 meters drilled to confirm the resource. While we do that, obviously we we'll continue to look at other projects and see if there is potential in the region, look for partners to advance them. As part of the transaction, also we've inherited a number of what we call non-core assets, which are not gold, are not in the region, and we're going to continue to monetize those assets to get cash to advance further Sakami and projects in the region.
And Norman, there's so many junior companies out there. How does Quebec Precious Metals differentiate itself from the typical junior?
So first of all, we have a very good capital share structure, 45 million shares, of which 43% is held with 5 groups. Newmont is the largest one. Secondly, we have the largest pension fund in Quebec that has just under 10%. Management board and a fund that is controlled by the president and 2 other partners have 11%. And another institution 3%. So that's a good share structure. We have a very good team, lots of experience, including one of the discovery of the Eleanor mine back in 2004. We have the ability to raise funds. We have cash in the bank, and we're absolutely determined to find the next gold mine in that region.
And finally, is there something else you want to mention that we haven't covered that you think investors should know about?
Well, you started with Quebec. I think we'll close with Quebec. Quebec is ranked number 4 in the world as far as favorable jurisdiction for a number of reasons. A big territory, also a very, very favorable tax regime. For every dollar you spend, you get 40 cents back from the Quebec government. If you do a flow-through share, the flow-through share regime is very advantageous. A good and qualified workforce, good infrastructure, stable regulations. So all in total a great place to do mining business.
And finally, for those in the audience, where can they go to find out more information about the company, and how can they contact the company?
So they can go to our website, www.qpmi.com, qpmcorp.ca. They can contact me. My contact details are on the website.
Thank you so much, Norman.
Thank you, Jordan.